Non-credit purchases are saved under Expenses in the admin page. Purchases via cash vouchers are also entered automatically into Expenses upon approval. To go to Expenses, let's go to the admin page. Click Account. This is where expenses are recorded. Any expense without credit must be saved here, e.g. utility bills, locum payments. If cash or petty cash is involved, the entry should be done via cash vouchers and not directly here. To enter/view expenses for a day, enter only the from date and leave the to date empty. Click Expenses to list the expenses for the selected date. The expenses list for this date is currently empty. To enter an expense, select the expense category. These categories are managed via Add/Edit Expenses category in the admin page and are important for accounting statements. Specify the vendor, supplier or receiver here. Enter the details of this purchase. Specify the mode of payment. Enter the payment amount here. And click Add to save this expense. Saved expense will be listed like this. If there is any receipt/invoice, using the Intel SysAssist app, the image can be captured. Click Media to show the media pool that will show images sent from the Intel SysAssist app. This is the media pool that will show all images sent from the Intel SysAssist app. To import the image to tag to the expense, click Select. If there are any images tagged to this expense, the image button will appear like this. Click this button to view/delete the image. This is the image tagged to this expense. To delete this image, click Delete. Expense with no tagged image will have semi-transparent image button. If necessary, the expense voucher can be printed. To edit this expense, change accordingly and click Edit to save. To delete, click Del. To add another expense for this date, repeat the same here and click Add to save. If this expense entry was made via cash voucher, the mode of payment, paid by, cannot be edited. And the cash voucher number will be displayed here. Any changes saved here will be reflected in the cash voucher as well, and if this expense is deleted, the cash voucher will be deleted as well. For payroll and statutory payments, the transactions saved in payroll must also be entered under expenses. The payroll, wages, are only captured as paid once they are saved as expenses here. To list saved payroll, select Salaries under Category. When the category Salaries is selected, the saved payrolls will be listed here. Select the payroll transaction here. Upon selection, these details are automatically filled. Specify the mode of payment. And click Add to save. For payroll, the category cannot be edited after saving. For statutory payments, KWSP/EPF, PERXO/SOXO etc., the transactions saved in payroll must also be entered under expenses. To list saved statutory payments, select Payroll Payables under Category. The saved statutory payments will be listed here. Select the payments to be made. Enter the vendor and update the description if required. Specify the mode of payment. And click Add to save. For payroll payables, the category cannot be edited after saving. When only the from date is specified and to date is empty, the detailed expenses for that day will be listed and can be edited/deleted. When both from and to date are specified, the expenses are listed in read-only view. This is how the expenses are listed when both from and to dates are specified. To list the expenses within the day, click View. The expenses list for the day in read-only view. To edit/delete any of these expenses, click on the date here. You will be automatically brought to the day's expenses list where the expenses can be edited/deleted. That's it. You're done.